is not me singing. We're just listening.
We are waiting to get inside. Welcome to Istanbul, a city where history and culture meets in every corner. In last episode, we visited the Hagia Sophia Mosque in Istanbul. Today, we are walking through some more of the city's most incredible sights, places that tell stories of empires, cultures, and centuries of fascinating history. Not too far from the Hagia Sophia Mosque, it was the Topkapi Palace, once the home of Ottoman Sultans for over 400 years. Built in the 15th century, this massive complex was not only a royal residence, but also the center of the empire's administration. However, we didn't enter the palace this time as the entrance fee of €45 was a bit steep. But for tourists who have a more flexible budget, you may want to check it out. Just a short walk from the palace, you will find the German fountain. It was a gift from the German Emperor Kaiser Wilhelm II to the Ottoman Empire in 1900, symbolizing friendship between the two nations. Right here in the Sultan Ahmed Square, you will also find the Obelisk of Theodosius, one of the oldest monuments in Istanbul. Originally from ancient Egypt, it was brought here by the Roman Emperor Theodosius in the 4th century. This incredible monument stood in the middle of the ancient hippodrome, where chariot races and major public events took place during the Byzantine era. Now, one of Istanbul's most iconic landmarks, the Blue Mosque, or Sultan Ahmed Mosque.
That is not me singing. We're outside the room, to be specific, because we're kind of outside in the kind of courtyard that you can see here. But the mosque should be opening soon for visitors to take a look.
Yeah. So it will be open at 2 p.m. So right now there is a prayer inside.
Yeah, so once the prayer is finished, I guess.
Yeah.
I guess that's the idea.
Yeah.
Because we came by around 12, and they were closing around then.
Yeah.
So we just went for a wander, came back, and it looks like they're about to finish up.
Yeah. Let's see what inside looks like.
Yeah, it should be interesting.
Built in the early 17th century, it is known for its striking blue tiles that adorn the interior walls. The blue Ionic towers create a calming atmosphere. The mosque has 6 minarets and a massive courtyard, which was once an important gathering place for worship.
Blue Mosque. We were just inside the Blue Mosque. There's kind of an area you can go in for free to see. They had just finished up the prayers, and we went for a walk in. You have to follow some etiquette, take your shoes off, cover. Kenny does a little cover. This is okay for this occasion. Cover up. Hopefully it gives you a chance to walk around. We talked to a nice lady there. It might help us get some more information on Ramadan later. And, so that would be kind of interesting to see what comes of that. Because we're contemplating maybe participating in the activities for Ramadan. So we were able to check out the site and look around. What did you find interesting?
It's quite stunning, actually.
It is quite stunning.
The whole building.
Yeah.
And like, I have only been inside the mosque in Hong Kong.
Yes, this is your second.
No, I think this is my second
modern mosque.
Yeah, second modern
mosque.
mosque.
We've been
to the one in Kowloon in Hong Kong.
Yeah, but so it's kind of neat to see a functioning mosque.
Like that one is also functioning.
Yes, they are.
Yeah.
They're both very functional.
Yeah. So the layout is similar, but of course this one is more elaborate.
Most of the folks were finished praying, so it's pretty empty in the main floor area. I guess you call it. I don't know the proper names.
But there are still people praying there.
Yeah.
The woman at the back and then the man is at the front.
Exactly. But otherwise, it was a little quieter. But obviously, a lot of folks here, tourists. So that was kind of a thing that everyone's taking in.
Yeah.
And lots of information on Islam, which is really neat.
Yeah.
To see people learning about
the
different cultures.
The people in the information center is really helpful.
Yeah, very much so.
Yeah.
So that was our quick little tour here. Let's go wander around the city a bit more.
Yeah.
So there's just that.
Our last stop takes us to one of Istanbul's most famous landmarks, the Galata Tower. This medieval stone tower has been watching over the city since 1348. Unfortunately, it was under renovation when we were there. Oh well, next time. We were in Turkey, and how could we miss the tea culture here? You could easily find a random tea house and sit down for a cup of traditional Turkish tea. This also wraps up our journey today through some of Istanbul's most historic and beautiful sites. Whether you are a history lover, a culture enthusiast, or just someone who loves walking around, Istanbul has something magical for you. Thank you for joining us on this walkthrough in Istanbul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel adventures. Until then, happy travels!